Nice fake, shakes him loose. Really good move. They score! A first one of the game, and it's early.
Sagan's quick little deke right in front of the net. He put it in.
Allen's looking down, checking where this puck worked its way through. He stopped enough of it that it should be in front of him. However, it somehow squeaked through.
Shot! Score! 2 in a row!
Stastny's quick wrist shot surprised the goaltender in close.
Really good shot, as you mentioned, Enzo. Quickly delivered. The goalie can't get his arm up over quick enough to blocker this into the corner.
Game still waiting for its first goal. Good job. Score!
That's a confident goal scorer there when you fake to the forehand and put it in.
Eddie, the goalie can only do so much. He's got too much time to make this wonderful deke, and the shot goes up over top of him.
No room for a pass. Dances around it. Throws it to Subban. Score! Late in the period. Couldn't get much later for that one.
He shot that puck so hard, I only saw it when it finally came back out of the net.
Enzo, this has got to be a great shot because from my angle, there doesn't look like a lot of net. Even with the goaltender down, he seems to...
He got in. Score! Didn't take long, did it?
Brodin's quick hands put himself in a position to score on the forehand.
Varlamov's moved back with the shooter as he makes the deke. He can't snuff out the post.
Good move, able to continue the march on. Odd man rush, 2-on-1. They score! Wow, that's getting on the board fast.
Well, when you talk to goaltenders, they say it's tough to pick up that puck on the backhand.
Enzo, lots of times we shake our head as the goaltender gives one up. Not here. He did everything he could.
Strong play on that faceoff. You have to be strong to hold that other guy off. They score! They only trail by a pair.
Boy, I love how he put himself in a position to really get a lot on that shot. Where was the defensive zone coverage there?
Niemi's effort is exemplary here. He does everything he can to try and...